In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your Zendesk tickets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Zendesk account. To do this, head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your credentials, your email and your password, and then hit the Login button. You should be all set to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Admin Center. Find the Zendesk Products section on the left-hand sidebar. From there, look for the option labeled Admin Center. Clicking on this will take you to the Control Hub, where you can manage all aspects of your ticketing environment. Once you're in the Admin Center, it's time to access the Workspace settings. In the Admin Center, you'll find a section labeled Workspace. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. Configuring your ticketing environment to ensure it works efficiently for you and your team is crucial. Now let's move on to the next step. In the Workspace section, you'll want to navigate to Views. Views are useful tools that allow you to segment or filter your tickets into more manageable lists, which helps in prioritizing and organizing your tasks. Click on the Views option, and you'll see existing views and the option to create a new one. To create a new view, look for the button that says Add View. Click on that. Here's where the fun begins. You'll need to give your new view a clear and descriptive title. Think about what your team needs most. You can name it based on urgency, type of query, customer type, or any other categorization method that suits your workflow. After naming your view, it's time to set the sorting rules. This step is about being strategic in what tickets you want to include in this new view. Click to add conditions and rules that will help filter the right tickets into this view. You can sort based on ticket status, whether they are open or closed, the assigned groups, or using specific tags that categorize your tickets efficiently. Once you have set everything up just how you like it, the final step is to save your new view. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or the side of the page, and click it. Congratulations, your new view is now live. It will appear in your queue dashboard, ready to help streamline your daily workflow. To recap, we logged in, navigated to the Admin Center, accessed Workspace settings, created a new view, set sorting rules, and saved it. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the organization of your Zendesk tickets and make your daily work much more manageable. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like these. Happy organizing!